and fast will be any NDC and John Mahama so. When I'm catching John
Abuja from Mamunya Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. Who bet you the moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
and fast will be any NDC and John Mahama so. When I'm catching John Mahama as the president of Ghana and fast will papa be any so on the NDC for Nina. Okay. I may be Muse, and I am president, Jimmy. Now they are so idea. And as the president, Mahama, you teach any. Yes, so you're president, now I'm born. Missy NDC, John Mahama be shut down a phone to a ding. Maybe some museums at 24 hours economy on Kenaway. And take us and fast will be any Mahama, so I must say. And for super beer new also. Share site a war. Only a site in a very big site. I a doma site here more than 300 no. Never brain NDC. Menkwa metiamu muni as so much because ombe 2 foot Ghana ni Ghana phone say akufo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mayashe. By a beer money. Yedi ni mapa akufo ado aye achire wo mo. A day I school factories I hospitals I yet the actual woman. Mr. John Mahama, any NDC phone now fast would be any woman so, yes, any be any. I'll bet me a boy, my gun, I'm late. Men I'm a catcher, and 20 other down quad, won't pay your maker. So, I'm saying fast would be almost the year. I'm going to tell you, baby, I'm 24 hours economy, baby, almost be. Monsieur, almost saying fast will be almost the year. Obama no dear China Ghana a vice president no. Also be Women's Bank. One China baby a be what? Oh, ye can't be getting no did you attempt? And was your salmon qua. They say MPP former, your friends say Sammy Janfi say what Jimmy is the one, he's the most stupid man, Sammy Janfi. Sammy Janfi opposition, what Casa said, they are come a boy be nursing so. I think a campaign in Sansun, this fucking boy, and now it's $1 idiot. Just when you call about reserve for gold board, a phone call, Samijan Fibatnazo, a new 2 years, Samijan Fini, Bank of Ghana, Poka, Kofosi Kano, the Kowa, 90 trillion. Samijan Fisimebois, Ome Professor. What you say? And some phone call, buy a cocoa, Mahama Kwamba, the first time in history, our Ghana ha, Yati cocoa, so I am John Mahama. As all position was so bad, what the cocoa bako say 60 million, Azar, or your crown for John Mahama and NDC government, or me a crown for, or me a with the 4, Yansani be any more between your ball, my Ghana. Ye can't Ghana for Muntier. First, no munya quite 2 foot gun. But this time around, me say, ye was site ye be campaign. Ye were a former be campaign. Ye were market ye be campaign. Ye were school them be campaign. Ye were church ye be campaign. Everywhere we are, no, ye be campaign. Mama who say it's time for you to vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No, my president, my Meba mo yese we no. No my president mayen. Emfaso bia ni Mahama ne NDC aban so. Omo ban se mfonko a. Wonya de papa bia de onima ne se wo chichi nkrofo, de onima ne se o che paade amasuku fo nkra. He said ngo kon ketenkiti project, what is ngo ketenkiti? Ebi way. Atroni adada sem nko. This time around on. Ebema John Mahama hunu say Ghana for no be kasa no nenye ba bia ma omomle so ma omomle so and I Cote d'Ivoire akra yati kokos moa agimi fo Cote d'Ivoire fo ne to abama wo Cote d'Ivoire president mi kwa minim ni din minim ya president din se friend John Mahama ya to abama John Mahama akofo the time covid time mo enu company what the light bill ni water bill che Ghana fo o say change my foka wanti kokoso ye Kenyan sache ma munti ya Jimmy fo muso ya na de na Jimmy sa go and ask who Ghana ha a COVID time mu ya din no akofo the light bill water bill che Ghana fo on fan chen kan fo na Kumasi fo nko o si Ghana fo teachers fo abai workers want to be a peso o ti o mu ka pe and so now workers gufie for some months Kuyani bien what in kokoso. What you say? Aferi bien. Enti e kasa ba we faso bien ni so a mo se dey. Me dey me se kwase me matwire nkwase asem wo comment section ase. Me dey kwase be man da bi owo bia. Sami jam fi mu ni e fense se dun ketia mo Sam George mo Malik Basintale, this stupid guy. When you see Dunke Tiabe, Samijan Fibejina, simply so case, the operation will recover our money. Sika send a mobile my friend people for so much Sikarum. This means a mobuamu ya true for another for. And this year true, Omuya ada for Muya Kushi for. Mr. This time around home. Wherever we are, baby, you would be an. Yabaman Crawford, yes, you say. Some ya dada for 2028 ya sati a campaign ya sati dada ya sati no ya declare Mahama man be president no and ya sati campaign because him say adia Mahama kan nyina nya de obetumi aye and want to me nyasoso e ya dada e ya tro ube uko 2 years de no waye Munche de Mahama baye oko 2 years munfa munsensi mbose Mahama in 2 years no de waye nie ne na na se fuck you ye ka mama yenka me say aban bie no betimi aboa Ghana agise MPP aban no just say you support MPP kwa you support omu because of ne mapa omu be ya ma o man Ghana me would have MPP ni bi oso to bibia chemda I don't need it. Me here say Ghana bekoso simple. Eni monyam peja nkoso be Ghana mind dia. Jo mama be say say oba ye 22 years oko 2 years ni. 18 months as dey ni. Won che ye de wa ye. Me say jo mama ban eni NDC fo nyina da emfaso bie ni wo so ma Ghana. Ensem fo nkwase asem nko a. O ka wo so menka. Campaign ye be yo na mo ye day ba unya be power me na me ka kire mo wo be man ko foforo wo fa ma assembly wo fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika ya kwaji loan na breast sanitation for mo fa nye hwe na wo ba je fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tata mi so ton na baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba e ja hihie. Hey, Mr. Pad, unya by perfect intro. Esa ucha pad. Saka wide. Udi sa pad na nebe ye bibiamo.
It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shiny, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So I can, in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia ye nketenkete ya adwen nketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Ibrahim Dramani mama ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. And I gafo say okay nye beto aba na ma boom boom. Mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Say dey ko ye kra dey menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region. Na me say fiam hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam one, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes, Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.